Lesi isiqeshana somdlalo embhoshongweni. Fezokuhle Secondary School, hello. Yebo sobona nkosazana. Yes, Mkhwanazi. Yes. No. That reference number is PhD.
God have mercy upon
S24 F6216 R3. No. I sent the quotation via email yesterday. Yes. Thank you very much. I'll be waiting for the delivery. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Yeah. How can they, in this world, forget a reference number? It is very, very unprofessional.
Funke!
What's the job?
I am done. Which class could it be?
Utansi, young lady.
It's the 10C class.
Menzani lapha na 10C PZ? Musukhala.
I am sick and I am tired of the 10C class.
Calm down and tell me what
I have told you that I cannot get any work done. We need to give this boy a suspension.
Jesus!
Kamu was a good friend. He was Tommy's friend.
Are you normal? Are you normal? Are you normal?
Will you keep quiet?
I'm done with this class. I am sick and tired. I am sick and tired.
Where mother Smith? How much of 50 large?
Jesus is Lord.
Give me the 40 million call of any hole and Jason.
I have enough. Here is God.
Vincent,
Where am I doing?
Vincent John Mansion.
I am so done with this.
I want to Tennessee. Yes, to kiss. You want them kiss? Bengazi ukuthi wena engeme ntombi akusemini asambe kanti amadoda angifuni ukuthi ngize ngifike lapha
Angenzanga
akho siya office kaMkhwanazi
Antoma wethu akusemini.
nini hamba nikuphotisha lana abazali bami basebenza kanzima ukuthi bazofaka la esikoleni ningomfike niyahluka
Chai.
Kids are somber.
Where is Mkhize now?
I think he's following me no matter.
I think I should give him a warning.
But if you could only hear, I have taken more than enough. Upumkiz. He's probably laughing there with his friends. Oh.
Then hurt your wedding.
Ubomi bam baba nedrama ndingekazalwa.
Ma'am, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. We are sick and tired of your stories. Please go back to your class now, Mkhize. Uyongilandela ubhaka wami. I am issuing out to you, Sabelo Mkhize, your third and final written warning. Because you're not coming back to
your
this
parents
school.
to this school. We don't want you here.
Without your parents. And without that written warning signed. No, Matomela, you can be released. Ukatsamaya, please. When? So I caught him back your meal. Go and get your bag.
Thank you. I cannot take it.
No, what is that? Musukala.
I will not die young.
Nadia.
I got sons.
I will rather resign from the school if need